Hi, actually in this video I'm going to teach you how to find out the elevation gain using Google Earth while cycling. First of all, let me change the language. I have to go to the tools and then options, and here the language, and from here I can change it to English language so that you can understand what I'm doing here. English United States, and then OK, and OK. Once you have done, you can close the program and then OK, open it again. Let's see if it will function properly or not. Google Earth Pro, yeah. Normally it should go to English language. Let's see and try it. Yeah, it's already done. And now actually I want to create a road. For creating the road, as you can see here, I'm searching for IMI Azar Industrial Management Institute of Azerbaijan in Tabriz. It's coming here, so let me just click it. I already saved it in the OpenStreetMap and also in the Google Map, as you can see. Okay, now we are in Google Earth on the University of Industrial Management Institute. Okay, now I want to make a road. Here you can see that I have created this model in 2009, and also this one as well in 2009. I'm making a road from here, as you can see. For this one, I'm selecting on road, ruler, and then path, and then I'll start making the road from here as I started for cycling. And okay, not that much, what do you call it? Not that much perfect, so just to make it as soon as possible, as you can see. So let me, while I'm rotating like this, the scroll bar I press, and then after pressing the scroll bar I can move the mouse, and then I can move around, as you can see here. So I was cycling from there to here, and then came here, and then here. The road I'm going to cycle, as you can see, here and also here. Let me move around here, and then here, and this is the Frog Street, as you can see from here. So I came to somewhere close to here, and then, if I'm not mistaken, yeah, and then I pass from here, and then yeah, let me move around this way. Okay, pass to here, on the ground actually, not on the road. And then let's say after coming toward here, I can wait. In order to delete the last point, I'm pressing the left the left key. So the right key, for the left key I'm digitizing, as you can see, left key. If I make a mistake, if I press the right key, it will remove the last point. Okay, and then up to here, and then the road that I was cycling inside the university came here, and then from here to here, then I entered the University of Tabriz. From here I came here, and then from here to here, and then this is the computer faculty and electricity faculty. Then I came here, So there is a pedestrian road from here, but it's completely pavement. It's not asphalt. So from there to here and then pass through here. As you can see, there are many 3D buildings here. So this is the dormitory for the professors, as you can see here in Tabriz University. So after creating the road that I followed exactly, I can check the elevation gain as well. So from here I came out from here and then this and then here. So this is Azadi Street, as you can see. So I followed the road from Azadi Street, as you can see. So here. And now maybe here. Okay. And yeah, this is the, I made a mistake. I passed through the University of Islamic Art University, so I came up to here, if I'm not mistaken, and then from here I passed through this place, and then from inside the building I came here, and then I cycled through the stairs here and also through the stairs here, and I came from there to this building. And now I'm going to check first of all I'm going to save it as, let's say, IMI Azar to Tabriz iau.ac.ir through Tabriz University. Okay, so after this I'm going to save it like this, and then I can right click on this one, save to my places, and now I can right click and properties, change the color, let's say, change the color, let's say we select yellow color, okay, and now you're going to check the elevation. Right click on this one and then show elevation profile. Done. And now I can see the elevation profile here. As you can see, while I'm moving my mouse here, it shows that at this point I'm about geoid 1542 meter, and then it will go up to what do you call it, 1542. Yeah, is that the elevation gain? Yeah, it's going a bit up and down, again down and down. Now in this point it's almost 1431, and here 1418. So it means that it's around 125 meter elevation gain. That's all. Do not forget to subscribe. Another thing, if I want to save it to my mobile phone, I can send it to, let's say, I can actually come here to save messages and save messages, and then I can copy this one to my let's say save as, save place as, with the same name in documents, and then as you can see, and so I saved it in save places as in documents, as you can see. I am a hazard through. Okay, now I can drag it and drop it to save messages. Once I've done this, I can install Maps.me on my mobile phone, and then I can open this one using Maps.me, and then I will see this yellow color on the map to follow exactly. So if you look for shortest path from here to here, actually the Google Earth or Google Map or OpenStreetMap, they cannot show you the shortest path because they're following exactly one-way road or two-way roads. Even they cannot go through the building, but here even you can go through the building. So this is the way that you can guess where is the best, what is the best route for shortest path, and then you can follow the instruction. Thank you very much for your actually time and watching, and please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you.